What if I told you hackers can phish you without even clicking anything? One calendar invite, and your private data could be exposed. This attack abuses a little known Google Calendar feature that auto adds events. Even if you don't respond to them, hackers send phishing links inside fake invites, and those links show up on your calendar as reminders. Here's how they do it. The attacker crafts a calendar invite with a malicious link in the description or location. They send it to thousands of Gmail addresses. If your settings allow auto-adding events, it shows up on your calendar, and maybe even sends a notification to your phone. This exploit has already been seen in real-world phishing campaigns. Attackers trick users into clicking malicious links disguised as meeting links, job offers, or fake giveaways. Good news, you can shut this down in less than 30 seconds. Here's how. This blocks auto-added invites. Combine that with security awareness, and you're way ahead of the game. Hackers are always looking for creative ways in, and sometimes it's your calendar. Stay alert and stay private. If you want more real-world exploits broken down like this, hit that like button and subscribe to HackByte.